Hello traders, in today's video I am going to trade with our reversal strategy and will explain you the whole setup and the strategy in detail. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, we have to analyze the trend, and if you look carefully here, it is a strong downtrend, but there is one factor that is visible here, that the market from this high to this low doesn't retraces well enough, so which means pullback is needed in this case. So what we will do, so we are planning to take a reversal trade from this zone, and let's find out other factors that will support our view, then only we are going to trade, because we have to find different factors that supports what we are thinking, then only you should be placing your trade. So first of all, let's try to find if we have any strong level of support, and here this is an extreme level of support. Let me draw this zone first, and so we have drawn the extreme level. This is the zone where the market reverses, the market got rejected back, and as you can see, it is certainly at the same level. So now we have a strong level of support. Market is moving very strongly in the downward direction, which means that the volume exertion will take place and market will have to go and it has to pull back. This is a strong zone, which means that we have three conditions here, and the fourth condition is market needs to be weaker when it hits support or resistance level. And here, as you can see, the trend here was very strong, but in this case it's got weaker, and you can see the wick, the rejection that are coming from the level, which means that the chances of reversal are really high. Now we have four things in our favor. The only thing which we required right now is a good strong confirmation by the buyers that yes, they are interested in moving the market in the upward direction. So what I'm planning here is waiting for a good candlestick confirmation or a pattern confirmation. Right now, if you look carefully here, you will see that this is a double bottom pattern. This is the first bottom and this is the second bottom, and market is now creating the third bottom. And what we need here is a strong confirmation which will confirm us this pattern, the reversal pattern, and a good confirmation by the buyers will give us a entry point where we should be placing our trade. And as I can see here is that market is weak enough to reverse, and the only thing which we want right now, which I think is a good confirmation, because we have a reversal pattern formation here. You can see this is a reversal pattern formation. Market here failed to create a new low, which means that the weakness is there in the selling side. If market doesn't create new swing lows when market is moving in a downtrend, which means it suggests simply that the trend is getting weaker. Here trend is getting weaker. The only thing which we require right now is a good confirmation by the buyers, because this is a reversal pattern formation and the market is weak. It is at an extreme support level. Market needed retracement. So everything all together suggesting only one thing, that yes, the market will going to reverse. And as you can see, market is giving us a reversal candlestick pattern, which is again a good sign. So let's wait for this candle to finish, and it's going to close in the next 5 seconds, and I'm ready to place my trade. So we have placed our trade. The reason is very simple. Let me explain you. When a market moves strongly in a certain direction, the volume exertion takes place. What happens is that when market moves in a particular direction for a very long time, the volume get exhausted, and the same thing is happening here. In such conditions, the market needs to go back in order to get some price action. The pullback is required because people will going to book their profit. So the pullback was required in this case. So my first take was to take a reversal trade here. Now in order to take a reversal trade, we have to find other reasons as well. So the first thing which I notice here is that we have a strong support level. So I draw the whole zone. And as you can see, market was at the support level, which means that this strong level can reverse the market. So this is the first factor which was suggesting, which was in our favor, that yes, market needs to reverse from this level. The second factor was, if you look carefully here, you will see that here market failed to create a new low, which means that the trend is getting weaker, because if market was strong enough, it must have created a new low. and market failed here to create a new low, which means that the volume or the momentum was dying and the downtrend was getting weaker, which again confirms us that yes, there are chances of reversal. The third thing which I noticed is that the market, as you can see, it was getting constant rejection. The candlestick size was getting smaller and smaller, suggesting one thing only, that the trend is getting weaker and market can reverse anytime. And the last thing which we want is a reversal confirmation pattern or candlestick. In this case, market created triple bottom pattern. This is the first bottom, this is the second bottom, and this is the third bottom. And we know that a triple bottom pattern is a sign of reversal, and the pattern formed at a support level suggests only one thing, that yes, market needs to go up. But we didn't enter our trade. We entered our trade when we got a strong confirmation. This candle is a indecisive candle, and this the market, you can see in this candle, broke the recent resistance level created by this particular candle. This candle also came from the support level, confirming us that yes, the trend is going to reverse and the market will go in the upward direction. So that is the whole reason why we placed this trade. Now let's wait for the result. So we have won this trade easily. Now let me explain you everything. So first of all, you have to understand what I noticed when I opened the chart is that when the market was moving very strongly in a downtrend. Now I have told you 1,000 times that whenever you see a strong move in a market without pullback, without the retracement, then market will going to reverse. Like in this case, this was a strong move and the pullback is required. And as soon as I saw the chart, I planned a reversal trade here. Now let me give you more examples so that you can understand what I mean by a strong move and why I was planning a reversal trade. So let's go in the past. You can see here, this is a trend where market didn't retraces at all. So in such cases, what happens is that whenever market moves in a particular direction, at certain point, like those who are selling here and selling here, they need to book their profit at some point, and that is why retracement happens. This is called the retracement or a pullback. So whenever you see these strong move in the market, you always plan for a reversal trade when they are running for a very long time. I'm not saying whenever you see this move and you plan a reversal trade. No, when you see a very long trend in a particular direction, you always plan a reversal trade. Like in this case, what happens? Market was moving very strongly, but at some point market needs to pull back. It has to retrace back in order to release the pressure, because market, when those who are entering their trade here, has to book their profits. So that is why the retracement phase happens. So whenever you see a strong move in the market, you always plan a reversal trade. Like in this case, a strong move and after that reversal. In this case, a small move and you can see a reversal, a small reversal. But this is how it works. Whenever you see strong move, like in this case, a reversal, strong move, reversal, strong move, reversal, strong move, reversal, and that's how it works. Similarly, what happens is that the market moves very strongly, and that's why I planned a reversal trade. Now, when I was planning a reversal trade, it doesn't mean that you can place your trade as you think that the market is going to retrace. You have to place your trades at a particular point where you can expect a winning trade. So in order to find a reversal trade in this setup, you have to find other factor that supports your view. So the first thing which I noticed here is that after planning that I'm going to take a reversal trade, I tried to find a strong level of support, because this is a downtrend. So in order to take a reversal trade in the upward direction, we needed a strong support level. When I go back in the past, this chart shows me this extreme level of support. Now this level holds a great value because you can see previously it did work well, which means that it holds the strength, it holds the value that it can reverse the market again. So we have this particular support level which says that if market hit this level and gets weaker, you can expect a reversal because it's a strong support level. So this is the first factor which supports my view that yes, market can reverse from this particular zone. The second thing which I notice here is that when market hit that level and after that it again tried to go down, it failed to create a lower low swing. We all know that in a downtrend, market will create lower lows. Like in this case, this is the high, this is the low, this is lower high, this is lower low, this is lower high, lower low, lower high and lower low. When market failed to create lower low, like in this case, it suggested that yes, the market is getting weaker. So this is the second criteria which supports my view that yes, the trend is getting weaker, you can expect a reversal. So this is the second thing. The third thing which I notice here is that the candlestick size were getting smaller and smaller, and the constant rejection that are coming from the support level suggested me one thing that yes, the chances of reversal are high. But can we place trade based on these reasons? No, you have to find other reasons like the confirmation by the sellers or the buyers. In this case, we required a reversal pattern formation or a good candlestick confirmation by the buyers from the support zone. So when I look in the chart, we found that market created a triple bottom pattern. This is the first bottom, the second and the third, and we all know that a triple bottom pattern is a reversal pattern, which means that market can reverse now because market is failing to create new low. It is reversing from the very low which was created previously. So it formed a triple bottom pattern, which is again a reversal pattern, suggesting us one thing only, that market can reverse. The last thing which we did was to wait for the confirmation from the buyers, because even though the chart pattern formation is taking place, we need a exact point of entry, and we can only enter if we have a confirmation by the seller. So what happens here is that market formed this particular candle, and after that it broke recent resistance level created by this candle, and it also came from the support level. You can see this is the support zone, and market created this particular candle. This is a strong confirmation by the buyers, and it also came from the support level, and that is the reason I placed this trade. So that is it about this trading session.